Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to automate file management in Windows using two powerful tools, FSUTIL and FORFILES. First, I'll show you how to create a 1 GB dummy file using FSUTIL, perfect for testing or training. Then I'll demonstrate how to use FORFILES to clean up files like this automatically. If you've ever struggled with managing large files or cleaning up old data, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, let's create a 1 GB dummy file using FSUTIL. This is a built-in Windows tool that can create files of any size instantly. And here's the command. Let's break it down. FSUTIL file create new. This command creates a new file. c:\dummyfile.txt. This is the path and name of the file. 107.374.1824. This is the size of the file in bytes, as 1 GB equals 107.374.1824 bytes. And there you go. A 1 GB dummy file is created in seconds. This is perfect for testing or simulating large file scenarios. Let's verify the file. Open File Explorer and navigate to c:\, and you'll see the dummyfile.txt we just created. It's exactly 1 GB in size. Now that we have our test file, let's see how to clean it up automatically using FORFILES. So what is FORFILES? FORFILES is a command line tool that lets you perform actions on multiple files based on specific criteria, like their age, size, or name. For example, you can delete files older than 30 days. Move files based on their size. Archive logs automatically. The best part, it's already built into Windows, so you don't need to install anything. Let's start with the basics. The basic syntax for FORFILES looks like this. Here's what each part means. /p, the folder path to search in. /s, include subfolders. /m, file mask. /d, filter files by date. /c, the command to execute on each file. Let's try a real-world example. Let's use FORFILES to delete our dummy file. Here's the command. Let's break it down. /p:\. This looks into the c:\/ directory. /m_dummyfile.txt. It matches the file name dummyfile.txt. /c:\cmd/cdel at path. This deletes the file. And just like that, the dummy file is gone. No more manual cleanup. But what if you want to delete files older than a specific date? Let's try another example. Let's say you want to delete files older than 1 day. Here's the command. This command, c:\, looks in C drive and /s to look into its subfolders. This matches all the files. /d-1, this filters the files older than 1 day. /c:\cmd/cdel at path. This deletes them. But be careful, all files older than 1 day will be deleted once you execute this command. And this is perfect for automating cleanup tasks. If you want to keep a log of deleted files, combine FORFILES with a log file like this. This command will delete files older than 1 day and logs the deleted files to c:\cleanuplog.txt. Now you have a record of everything that was deleted. Super handy for audits or troubleshooting. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a 1 GB dummy file using FSUTIL and automate file cleanup using FORFILES. These tools are absolute game changers for managing files in Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Got questions or ideas for the next video? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.